All right, welcome back from that break and from that musical break too. Now, we don't get one card guest inside the studio. I'm going to give you a download of who this guest be, even though saying does start comedy with us. Yeah. All right, we get this particular person, so NAIJA news publisher and the born for Akwanga community, which today everybody know as Nasarawa State. 61 years ago, now they actually bombed this man, so not be baby we get for inside studio. Now, in one Ijaw man without borders, though in late Papa passed Sunday Obi Gomora, they say him was the Ebe Okosi. Ewe of Kabowe Kingdom. Hey, the oldest of the Kabowe clan for inside Ijaw ethnic nationality. Now, he get plenty things where he join them. But today, him na human rights activist. He say na human left activist in be anyway. Yes. Human rights activist plus comedian. All together, he join all of them together. So join me, welcome, Presido Gomorai.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Country people, well done. This is an enjoy for Lagos.
Abio yes, from all the way from Ijaw?
You know, for our place, not about to they use canoe. And we don't try for this country.
Now they chop money pass now, even with the canoe. Now they aside
sure? No, na so. Those where they chop, what they call say now we they chop. So we know. Not before.
At least at the Western people say we need to see the humorous side of everything, yes. Even though if they're serious. Yes. You know, say get many percentages where they on the border for inside our Bodo Nigeria now. If they cook them, if they make the country make hot. So wonder whether we go come on the pot for fire or maybe you go leave and make it burn.
No, quench the fire.
Or quench the fire, leave the pot.
One quench.
This matter where a lot of people they accuse with Lagos State government for say they use so amount of money, they do website. You think say na just propaganda made that they discredit the man, or you think say we they take them out of context? People don't understand the true state of what happened, or you don't know about the situation with the ground.
First, you don't first classify me say I be human left activist. As I be human left, we would know some of this up for the country. But the only shock when I shock, we say I come up from Biama, Cornish, Yanagua. From there, they land Patani to Lagos. You can't ask about Lagos. I think you go ask me about worry.
No, they come there. No, they come there.
You see, Nigeria, no lie. If you remember when they talk about me, you say 61 years.
Yeah.
You no go lie. Any man when don't reach that we're still young to some people. You must have seen a lot. The truth is that we're not honest to ourselves. We don't like ourselves. Propaganda is what they put for ground. I don't know the meaning well for English, but for pidgin, for our own language, just lie. Yeah. To put that soup where you say they born, to make them born.
Quick.
You see, we like them too much, and it's not good. It's not good for us because the children we get now. That's why if you see them, the level they pass our level.
Oh yes.
When we did small, you get patience, perseverance, you endure, and you have respect and passion. For pidgin, they don't bring passion down when we did for pidgin. They don't have to use passion, and now they come. So I don't know what's in passion for pidgin. So that's why you see people are not like that we small. Everybody now they do for fast lane. Go. How will anybody be saying what they are saying now? Because Oga Fashola don't leave office. We don't say they perfect, no. We don't just say in no get area when they bad, no. The same way that they do them now, they look at that one, the same way they are doing to our brother. You know bros now.
Which one? Tell us
in the higher level.
Yeah, the higher level now. When
so
I say bros,
now.
Anything when anyone when a wife no get belly quick na Jonathan.
All right, you know what? Make we just leave our phone lines open 012772195, 012777195, and 012778195. Now call us, put your mouth inside. Now I want to enter your particular place. No, but we go take them personally. Okay. I want to enter your particular place because recently we don't hear the crisis where they between the Ijaws and the Shekiri. Now it consigned the gas plant, 16 billion. Gas plants where now a particular ethnic group they talk saying at their own, while this other one they talk saying at their own. So waiting be the crisis between the Ijaws and Ishekiri.
You will not say it's not only Ijaw Ishekiri.
Okay.
It involves Ijaw Urobo. Urobo Ishekiri. Isoko is because of this long truth. If not, if you put something here and me I dey here, know how the thing spread, you better go reach me now. So some actors The thing is not the people, not the common men. That's our problem for Nigeria. Some principal actors want their hand there. I want to be the beneficiaries. And that's why they make, if not, if it's in there for one particular place, they call them any name. The goodies must come to everybody. Up to Asaba. They will get the enjoyment now. So patient. And we have to learn to tolerate ourselves. That's our problem.
Now, who are we actually talking to? Are we talking to the job? Are we talking to the Sheikh?
We're talking to the leaders.
The leaders. So, okay, now the leaders, they make the crisis between the judge and Sheikh.
If you look at it, their principal officers, when they will not say yes. Now, so go move. They will go move the name of the people. You go see, they go do press release. You don't say we do for media. They will put the name of all the people with the community. Meanwhile, the community some don't even know what they happen.
No, it's in the happen.
This fight not be today fight. You don't
Yes,
go for a very long time.
That's a Sheikh is there. You go just even the way they sound self. You go say we
so make we even ask you. You know, say a lot of things today for Niger Delta.
By now, we for not deal like as in day for Lagos. As I call, I see long house for up, long house. But the judicial place now down with them.
But you know, say recently,
a
lot of people they talk say amnesty and everything. They don't put them down for grant to take up some of these big where they happen for that area. But some people still they talk say it still gets as if the people there know they let the team make it work.
No. You see, if anybody they condemn that amnesty thing, the great name like...
Sorry, before you actually answer this very important question, we will need to take Daniel all the way from Ikotun.
Good morning, Daniel. Daniel.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning to you.
Hello?
Would they hear you, Daniel? Go ahead with your question.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I want to shook my for this matter.
All right, make we hear them.
Okay. See, this, they say Jonathan say this one. Fashola say this one. If you know they sit again.
Help us reduce the volume of your TV set, I beg. Hello, Daniel. All right, we don't lose Daniel. Okay, talk to us, sir.
You see, sometimes when your age don't go, I don't miss where we did before. That's why sometimes
we talk about the amnesty program, and the effectiveness.
Except no one day honest. Let us respect people when don't pass on. Great men like Yaradua, late president.
Where you start the amnesty?
Yes. That thing before then, we all don't forget what they happened for the country before. Nigeria was a no-go area.
Yes, very much.
The boys, them not be saying one particular person get them. Just feel say they are denied the benefits of being part of Nigeria. They now, it's the wrong language, but they carry arms against it. Because as a gentleman, I'm not supposed to carry arms. Now, mouth where they use the talk, they complain, they protest. When arm come, it was first kidnapped. Kidnap was not for money. Kidnap one oil worker to tell the international community, we fit do arm. Because no development, you cannot rescue the white people or the workers. So, the oil company workers gone and they can't bring the idea of money. If not, when you kidnap, they put it all over the world. Say, come on, why not they kidnap? Because they don't remember us. Not because they do for that part of the world where they produce, they take oil. You just pollute our land. You see.
But are you saying you should know what they talk now? Be saying
the amnesty one of the best thing.
That time.
Yes.
Now one of the better thing now they start to do.
And you don't remember us. What all the shining. This is one of the world where they build a capital in less than 10 years. Where did the money come from? From cocoa or granola? Now, all your money now. Go see Abuja now. That challenge.
But a lot of time why they actually start up the amnesty program because then Niger Delta people, they come outside and fight for their right in the sense that you come our place, you bring oil,
you forget
the oil,
us.
they actually pollute our water, our children they die, and still you don't employ a part of our people
but
there.
A lot of argument that time be saying it is still the leaders where they cause the problem of underdevelopment.
No.
He said because when the money trickle down from where they come, they say na share that they share.
That is what they are still arguing to today.
You see, a lot of hypocrisy in the whole thing. They go say that they share money. When you're supposed to give somebody, not be money now. They give money to Lagos. They give money to Abuja. Not be Julius Berger and they go to Gufanti, Arab contractors. They just go there, they work now.
They work.
Go build roads for us. If not President Jonathan, former President Jonathan, East-West Road, today I can leave Lagos 6 in the evening to get Patani. Get to Biama. We just condemn. Let us appreciate. Make us appreciate small things what they do. Because we are all human beings. We're not angel. We're not perfect. For me, every government gets its plus and minus. And the minus could be something that could possibly be there would have been a plus. but circumstances. So the amnesty team, Dire, is one of the best things that has ever happened. Today, I tell you, I know the boys where they meet. You ask them, say, I'm a seafarer, trained. I'm a pilot, trained. I'm into welding, trained. Before now, like I give you a good example, like Kayama Bridge, Patani, I don't know if I travel. Early morning, don't see boys on top of the bridge, they look water. Nothing now.
Nothing
but today, most of all those boys have been actively involved.
Well,
now,
Kayama is still not developed, even as of today, even with the money.
Yes, not be saying you can't see it overnight now. You can't see it overnight. Here, I left, died in 2010. I lie. And he tried. Not be some people stay for government for almost 8 years. They don't remember, even the roads no day. And those are the people that they call the fathers of the nation, and they talk up and down.
All right, so you talk about people where they come outside, talk to the amnesty program, we need to scrap them out because he's spending too much of our budget.
But you're not looking at what you are gaining from the to build the budget. Today, let us not even that. I'm not, I'm a pessimist. Try them, not be challenged. I be different from this one. This now greedy guys. If you know how our boys.
So if it happen, waiting you feel safe.
Because we are going to go back to square one again and start all over. Because the more we try to bring this war, otherwise they see protest. There's still a number. One major thing, major fault in this country. We have a wrong concept about our population. There's a wrong concept about our population. You see, up there in the north, they have millions, yes. But here in the south, I'll give you a good example. From Alagbado to Songo. It's Lagos State to Ogun State. You don't know where boundary is. You see houses, people, yet our population, Kano, see past Lagos. Lagos has just 20 local governments. Kano, before Kano, and Lagos, before 2020. Today, Kano don't get that many states. Add all the local governments when they come from the states and when they make old Kano. Lagos is 20. That's why Oga, I call him Brose, but it's Oga Tinubu, started that agenda of creating. We all have differences. Forget our political affiliations. We know those who commit to the common man.
But you know that we can talk this thing.
Great man.
Yes, we feel talk this thing, all of them together.
Yes.
But you know, say the biggest issue now, now the way forward.
Yes, way forward.
You know, do you think that this new government where we get, you know, a lot of people voted for change.
Yes.
Say, okay, they want make things make it different.
Yes.
As somebody we don't see many things will don't happen.
Yes.
Do you think this our present government, they positioned towards changing things? Or you think say it not go well as people they have
You see, if at my age I no pray make it go well, I'm a very useless man. I pray because I want my children to benefit the project called Nigeria. But if we be honest to ourselves, open our minds, tell the truth, forget about affiliations to party or who is who. The government, the pattern, the full step when Oga Buhari they take. The same things Oga Buhari talk 30 years back, August 27, 1985. There's a document that was read by Dogoyaro.
So that document, we've actually talked about time, but we just pick this
if you listen to that document.
Magdalene talked about this morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Magdalene.
Yes, the discussion about the NAIJA Delta program. I'm just listening to it now. Yeah, concerning the amnesty, it was welcome. But you know the problem we have? Our leaders, Nigerians, they don't do the things they're supposed to do at the right time. They use money to blindfold themselves, most especially the elders. And the youths are crying out because they are being deprived of their rights. Take, for instance, the oil money was used to build the Federal Capital Territory. You come to my house, you extol me, I, the owner of the house, I go hungry. Then what do you expect me to do? Please, our leaders should listen to our youth. They are the cause of our problems. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Magdalene.
You know why did you know day before? Then past time. Then television was only one in Nigeria, NTA. Radio was Radio Nigeria 1. Today, in your village for Tombiai, Ikpetiama, in Gbara, you have one small thing called GSM, and you can. So we now awareness is growing. That's why you see the hue and cry. Our leaders, when you say our leaders, not only leaders from Niger Delta, Nigerian leaders. Some of them live heavily, big. I cannot use too much grammar for pidgin. Bigly because of the money from oil. They are far away from in their comfort zone. They get oil blocks. We know of a man who say, "In get money, not to spend." And form one organization, one general. May I call his name?
I beg.
He say, you know, now you go spend the money. He form one NGO into the share money with people. He go share, go Samaria. You know, share, go.
But you know,
a
lot of people go say, this oil, we all of us, they talk.
Yes, now God.
If you look at the beginning, if you look at this year now, oil prices don't they fall. So what is going to be the fate of Nigeria Delta people?
Somebody don't even talk now. Somebody talk now. Say, since now oil, they make the people of Nigeria Delta cry. When oil finish, we go see how they go. So the Nigeria not be part of, will not be part. If oil finish, we go look at another thing now. There is gold, there are mineral, oil, they are everywhere in the country. They keep them. We know of in Osun, they mine some kind of this now. They can make money now. Then one family, they for a solo area now, big family, we no one call name. They make money for. But if now Nigeria Delta na Nigeria own, gas na Nigeria own. Anything under the soil, na Nigeria. But when you reach other part, you know, those are the things. Because in the beginning of the whole setup, our people were docile. That's where our papa them, they were complacent. And that's why I did against wearing that cap. That cap, now our papa them, they wear polar hard. The head no open. Papa no vessel, because I can't join us soon. They signed treaty anyhow. Mongo Park came to Nigeria Delta now. Not be malaria killer, mosquito. You know killer bad now. Then they say Mongo Park discover. How will a man who come meet our people get chop pepper? This is a propaganda.
That discovery thing, very
propaganda to just bring us down. And if you look well, we are the salt of Nigeria. If you see Nigeria Delta, he speaks all the language in Nigeria. As I did here, I told you where they born me, Akwanga. As I did here, I know Abekuta. I know Ibadan, I know Munede, I know Onitsha. Because we are open Nigerians. Our papa, they use them. As overseer, my partner, road overseer. Anywhere they go consult, you carry family go.
Out of Benin.
I get Hausa, my
Benin,
no, so.
You sabi speak Benin?
What's it? Even up to Auchi, Omo, Ogbo, Amie, or your. You see, we have to. Any Nigerian must. There are some people in this country, they only know Mushi, Dioro, and Agbado.
They never come out.
So, or I said, no. So when they want to argue, they argue within. But you will don't go out. You know what it takes to live everywhere.
You know, say because our show no be say time day our hand like that. You know, we wish we were maybe by the time when we get time we go call you, make we talk like an hour. One of the things because our time don't they run leave us. One major
hold on.
Aye, at the whole of the time no they agree. It be like when meat sweet for mouth. You know, say once you don't swallow the water, swallow you must do water.
If you're not fishy for talk,
meat
only for our land.
Not true. Nigeria Delta people now fish they get. You know, we feel talk about many issues where they.
Yes.
But the way forward might be the biggest issue where we get for Ghana. What do you think now the way forward? Where Nigeria Deltas go happy? Every other part of the country we go happy?
Truth. That truth first, with where we come from, the media. The media should be very cautious. What they are doing is just not fair for the common man. They're overheating the polity. I hear one language now. President Buhari must not fail. If he fail, none of us fail. That's a lie. If he fail, now he fail. Because when good luck, they say good luck fail. I don't know where they say good luck they fail. Let us be honest and search our mind. We know people who punctualize this our country money them. And now they come out again, they finish good luck. The same people will finish Buhari. So if Buhari fail, now he fail. Because when good luck, they say he fail. For me, no fail. Now them say now good luck fail. So why will you not say if Buhari fail, now we fail? No.
So
see, let's change. Forward? The way forward is we have to be very sincere to ourselves. Appreciate. We have to start to learn to love ourselves as one. As one, not as a Joe, Urobo, Isha, or Yausa. No. As I did here, my pa, I said overseer, you know the Nigeria Delta man with woman. He marry here, he marry here. So I get my name now, Dan Juma, my middle name. My younger sister is Juma, my elder sister is Amina, my elder brother is in Patani now, is Amadu. If you have that kind of family, you see that if you carry everybody along because you know if you go here, you are there. But when you have only one man living in Mushi, and private school in Idioro, finally settled in Alagbado, that will be a problem. Because he doesn't know what you are going through.
All right, so togetherness now we feel like move Nigeria forward.
Yes,
no, just to breathe.
Not be spirit.
Just to move away from the political question.
Yeah.
I think on this, I look your little this biography we sent to us, and then I see comedian inside. I said, okay, how comedians enter inside? Like,
you know the average. No, all the comedians check them. AY is from Ondo, but now worry guy. Once you punctualize that area. Because the only way...
So you practice as a comedian for...
Not be surprised, then be boys to us. If I'm 60 plus, then I tell you that I run a program on Wazobia. We were the starters of Wazobia comedy show on Galaxy TV. I represent NAIJA Delta. Then I will tie handkerchief. But any program I do, I use my name. Because the name is like a Igbo name.
Presido.
It's a Ijo word. Presido Omolayole in Yoruba. No, ask me for Igbo because that one now.
And that one I don't start.
Right.
Oh my
so
God. Very
No,
interesting.
you are selfish. Oh, our God. That's where we should start. Everyone say, oh, my God. No, oh, our God. God
Oh, our God.
Okay. All right, oh, our God, oh. Thank you so much, President, so you come today.
Thank you.
Very interesting guest I will get. I hope say the next time when in Delhi, Lagos, go fit Colombia and make we come for
Colombia? No, you go invite me. Colombia is grab.
we go grab you now.
No, grab you now.
Not be that
I go insist to.
We take you by force. We
grab you now. Enter the studio now.
Monica, they watch you.
Yeah,
She know.
the apple. All right, so thank you very much for you there with us. I will go back small break now. By the time we will come back, we still get time to do some other things on top of the show before we go wrap up for today. Now, the Good Morning NAIJA show is only here that you can get the best of everything.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.